Hey boys and girls, for math today we're going to do pages 521 through 524, okay? This is basically exactly what we did yesterday. Today we're going to be counting the angles in each shape, okay? So when two sides of a shape meet, they form an angle. I'm on page 522. And this shape has 3 angles. Now, yesterday we counted sides and vertices. We counted where the two sides met, and we made a little semicircle. That's the same thing. Where the two sides meet in the vertice is also counting the angle. So we did that same shape yesterday, and it's showing the angle and the vertices. Okay? So circle the angles in each shape and write how many. So you're going to circle every single time you see the sides meet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on this one. Okay, so you're basically counting the corners. That's usually what we like to say because it makes sense in our head much better than saying that than angles. Okay, so there are 5. Let's look at number 2. We're going to do the same exact thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so 6. Now, notice that this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so that makes it a pentagon. And this one has 6 sides, so that makes it a hexagon. So remember those because those are going to be important. Okay, this one has 4 sides, so it is a quadrilateral. Okay, circle them, and it has 4 angles. Okay, now we're going to count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, notice that this has 5 angles, so it also has 5 sides. Ooh, my 5 looks like an S, goodness gracious. Okay, so notice that this shape does not look the same as this shape, but it is still they are both still a pentagon because they have 5 sides. So just because it does not look the same does not mean that it's not the same type of shape, okay? So it's still a pentagon because of the sides it has. So when you get to number 9 and number 10, as long as your pentagon has 5 sides, it's correct. So don't stress out about if it looks right or not. As long as your quadrilateral has 4 sides, it's correct. Don't worry about if it is wrong or not. You can't draw the wrong shape as long as the quadrilateral has 4 sides and the pentagon has 5 sides. Okay. On the back, you're still using those dots to draw 2-dimensional shapes. Okay. So 2-dimensional shape has 7 angles, which means it's going to have how many sides? 7. Okay, and the hot one, that means that it's higher order thinking, and it's hard, and it makes our brain work a little bit harder, and that's good. That's how we flex our brain muscles. Ben drew 3 2-dimensional shapes that had 11 angles in all. So draw shapes that he could have drawn. Boys and girls, don't stress out about whether or not you're drawing the right shape or not. Focus on the fact that it has 11 angles, which means that it's going to have 11 sides, okay? And you're just drawing 3 of those, okay? So don't worry about it. It's going to be great, and you can do this, and it's easy peasy, boys and girls. You got it. Miss you guys. Bye.